Students show their understanding of fractions with this activity. 1/4. So there is vocabulary here: denominator, numerator, parts, whole, equal, and they show 1/4 in the given picture here and explain what this fraction is here. So 1/4, I write 1/4 fraction in words 1/4. This is important, fourth, and it means 1 out of 4. So the top number is called numerator, and the bottom one is denominator. The spellings are given here. Blank shows the total number of equal parts. This one, the denominator, shows the total number of equal parts. It means 1 whole is divided into 4 equal parts. Now blank shows the parts being discussed. Numerator does that. Numerator shows the parts being discussed. Now I'll draw 1/4. That means I get a whole and make 4 parts out of it. So I use my grid. I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 in each part. Now I draw a rectangle. Please encourage your children to use a ruler. Unfortunately, I don't have my ruler here with me. 2, 3, 4 parts. 1 part, 2nd part, 3rd part, and 4th part. So 4 parts. The grid helps me in making sure that all my parts are of equal size. Now 1/4, that means I shade 1 part because 1/4 means I am talking about 1 part out of 4 parts. This is 1/4. Here are the directions. Help students work on the activity on their own independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback.